I'm Woody Pickens. I have a question for you. Are you playing more and enjoying it less? Are you failing with the ladies lately? Come on down. I-335 to Woody Pickens Guitartorium. We got it all today. Big sale, 10% lower than last week's. You won't believe some of the buys we got down here. Like this red beauty here. Deluxe Flying V. One pickup, that's all you need if you're heavy. One pickup. You don't need all that extra stuff on there them fancy boys use. I hear they're good with the ladies. This is a 94 Johnson. They don't come much better than this. How about this? You budget minded? This has been slightly customized, but it still plays. You can have it for almost nothing. Come on down. Talent box, that's what I call this. You'll sound better, feel better fast in 10 minutes with this box. It's magic. How about this? This red beauty here. Destroy the competition. Ain't this deluxe? It was modern in its day and it's still looking forward. We got it with 3 pickups if this ain't enough for you. Come on down, easy credit, man. We got it all. Come on down. The big sale of weekend. We've been giving it to the public for 30 years. We're looking forward to seeing you.
Free tuning not available on all models. Allow 6 to 8 weeks for instant credit. 24-hour repair subject to availability. Also visit Woody Pickens Drumedaria, Organasium, Brass the Knot, across the street from the Guitartorium.
You're watching KBOG 19, the center of your life.